Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Nilagang Baka. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your cooking station. This comforting Filipino beef soup, with its tender meat and hearty vegetables, is surprisingly simple to make. We will focus on creating a rich, savory broth and perfectly cooked beef, ensuring a delicious meal for your family. For our Nilagang Baka, we begin with 2 pounds of beef short ribs or brisket, ensuring a robust flavor. You will also need 1 large onion, 1 cup of peche, and 2 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and quartered. Additionally, prepare 1/2 cup of trimmed green beans, 1/4 of a small cabbage, and 1 cup of corn on the cob. Finally, have 3 tablespoons of whole peppercorns and about 4 liters of water ready. Start by thoroughly rinsing your beef short ribs or brisket under cold running water. Next, place the beef into a large pot and cover it completely with about 4 liters of fresh water. Add the 3 tablespoons of whole peppercorns and your quartered large onion to the pot. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer, covering and cooking for 2 to 3 hours until the beef is incredibly tender. As the beef simmers, remember to regularly skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface of the broth. During the last 30 minutes of cooking, add your quartered potatoes and the corn on the cob to the pot, allowing them to soften. In the final 10 minutes, gently stir in the green beans and the sliced cabbage. Finally, season the Nilagang Baka with salt to your personal taste, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.